Hey guys, it's Martin here from Schink Art, and today we're gonna be drawing a dinosaur, a long neck, long tail dinosaur, Brachiosaurus, Bronchosaurus, Brontosaurus, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna have some fun on the artboard drawing a dinosaur. So first off, we're gonna have to start, I think, with the head. So up here I'm gonna start with a roundish shape to just get a little bit of a dinosaur head going, and then a nice long curve down to the bottom to get a nice neck in place. Okay, so you can try this drawing on normal A4 paper, and if you have a tablet or you have a digital way of drawing, then please feel free to try, but the focus is on having fun. So now I'm going to add another line there to get the neck going on our dinosaur. Okay, so looking at that. Okay, so I used up most of my page here, but that's not going to bother me. And then I'm going to have a little curvy line going over there with a bulge for the dinosaur's back. And then we're going to have to do something for the tail now because it's not going to fit in. Right, and then a dinosaur's body is like an egg shape or an oval, or this one that we're drawing, and then yeah, you just want to add it in there. And then the tail, let's make the tail go up there. Apologies for not getting it to fit, but that's part of having fun. And remember, in art, not everything works out as we plan, but we can get close to it. Right, let's get that tail shape going. And now for the legs. Now when you draw any animal, it's almost like drawing a chicken's drumsticks, and then it's just a little bit of a roundish shape there. I'm just gonna sketch, and remember, this is a light line that I'm drawing, so don't press too hard if you're using paper. Okay, and then there's a little cylinder type shape going down there, and we're gonna get some feet in place for our long neck dinosaur. You can call it whatever dinosaur you want, a Brachiosaurus or whatever. Okay, just gonna erase some here. Okay, you can see I'm turning my canvas a lot. It's to accommodate my wrist movement while drawing, and this helps to get some more smoother lines into place. Okay, so it's, if you can just quickly look here, it's a round, let me zoom in there, it's a round type shape, and then like a little cylinder type shape that I'm working in there, and then just a foot also a type of round shape, almost like an elephant's foot or a rhino or something like that. Okay, and now we have to get this neck connected to the body. So there's a chest area on our dinosaur. Then we have to add another leg there. Okay, so I'm gonna make it look like he's stepping forward a bit, so the leg is going to be hiding down there. And then let's make the hind leg also as if he's busy walking. So let's just get that in there. Okay. So, okay, I feel a bit guilty for not fitting in that tail, but I'm not going to move it because, as I mentioned, art happens, and we must go with it. And the most important thing is to enjoy the process. Have some fun while you're making mistakes, because it's not the end of the world if you make a mistake. Please remember that. When you start out on your art journey, it's easy to be very harsh on yourself because you want your art to be perfect. Yeah, that's not always going to happen. Okay, so let's focus here on the head of our dinosaur. So it's a little oval shape, and you can really do this any way that you want to. I'm just going to add a little bit of a roundish shape for his eye, and line just above that for the eyelid, and maybe just get that iris in place. little reflector there. So I'm just doing some sketching, and this is all that we're doing in this video. If you are drawing along, you are welcome to render the artwork any way that you prefer. So if you want to finish it up with markers, or you want to finish it up with some paint, or maybe you have another way of doing it if you're drawing it digitally. I'm just sketching a dinosaur to inspire your art process. Okay, look at that. Ooh, a very long neck. Okay, so now that we have our basic dino in place, let's see how it looks. Okay, so you can always correct a bit, especially if you're drawing with pencil. I suggest when you're starting out, use some light pencil lines. I'm drawing also with a pencil, a digital pencil, but it's a pencil nonetheless. And make use of the fact that you can erase and use different pressure levels when you're pressing down with your hand. And remember, don't be scared to rotate the page to get your hand to an easy moving space. Right, so I'm just cleaning up some of the lines. I think I'm gonna just use the benefit of digital art just to move my dinosaur to the center, and then I'm going to, oh, look at that cute little tail, poor little thing. Okay, so let's get some cleaner lines going, and I want to start to color my dinosaur. Okay, so I'm just going to do some toenails here. What do you call them? Toenails, claws, toes, stubs, I don't know. Okay, so on dinosaurs you get some freckles and folds here of the skin. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it at that for the moment. So you can see, if we look here at the dinosaur, there's I'm just gonna change the color of my pencil. There's a little bit of a oval shape here for the head, oval shape there for the body, round shapes here for the legs. So when you're drawing with some cylinders beneath them, and the tails are just some squiggly lines, and the neck as well. You can do it any way that you want to. If you wanted the neck to maybe do that and do that, then that would have been fine as well. Now let's get to coloring, and let's wrap up our dinosaur artwork. Okay, so I want to make my dinosaur green. Which color would you like to use? Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna color now, and add my green to my whole dinosaur. So you can use crayons, you can use art markers, felt pens, watercolor, acrylic paint, whichever medium you are comfortable with to finish off your dinosaur. I'm just gonna finish mine off with what I have with me now, and enjoy that moment. Okay, so it's a lot of dinosaur to color, I can tell you that. Okay, I'm not gonna speed it up. Okay, so what I'm using is some digital markers in Photoshop, but it's not necessary to have all of these technological things. Art can happen on anything. You just need imagination, some time, and some practice. And remember, it's all about enjoying the journey. Don't look around to someone else's art. Don't look even at what I'm doing. Just use it as inspiration to help your imagination play. And if you don't get it right, try again. There's no pressure to perform here. Okay. So then we have our dinosaur green, and I want to add some stuff here. I want to add some stuff. Let's see. Let's make some dinosaur patterns on his neck, also a bit greenish, just to give him some more dinosaur qualities. Okay, so in this sketch I'm still gonna do some bit of shading to finish it off. So thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to my channel if you like this, and if you are learning from my content. I'm doing lots of just these drawing videos to share some imagination and wonder with you guys. So thanks anyway for subscribing and supporting my art. Okay, I'm gonna do something darker tone here now, just to get those spots on the back. Just a bit something dynamic. I think we should add a yellow, what do you say, to this dinosaur. Right. Quick. I'm rushing now because I'm seeing that we are 11 minutes into this video. Let's make his eyes blue. And if you're still watching, I really appreciate that you are watching my videos and enjoying creating with me. I hope that you are busy drawing as well whilst watching this. Okay, so now we're just gonna add a bit of shading. I have a little shading tricks here. Okay, so you can, if you're using crayons or something, just use a darker color and just shade lightly over the places that you want to appear a bit darker. Okay. I don't know if this is an official dinosaur, like a species that existed, but it's definitely based on a long neck dinosaur. And for what we're doing here on this channel is we're just playing with our imaginations. So this a dinosaur, fits in perfectly. Okay, see, now I'm shading according to those shapes. We said this was a circle, so I'm now shading according to that circular shape, or that spherical shape that I mentioned when I was doing the lines on this artwork. Okay, and get some shadows under the belly, get them going there, and the tail, and there you go. Sorry for rotating it, my hand was a bit stuck in a position and I had to turn it to get the best result on my artwork. Okay, some shadow beneath his feet, and what about some highlights? How do you like our short-tailed, long-neck dinosaur? It certainly is a funny little creature. Okay, let's get some highlights going there, and then we are about to finish up. If you're still watching and you enjoy my content, please subscribe to my channel, because you're making it possible for me to create more art videos like this one. And if it was helpful, please let me know in the comments so I can know what to create more of. And you're welcome to place in the comments what you want me to draw. What else do you want me to draw? Because I'm just on a mission to draw everything that I can think of. Sounds dangerous, right? Maybe not. Okay, so that's it for our little dinosaur. And remember, when you're finished drawing, to sign your artwork so people will know it was you. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for coming with me on this journey to draw this little long neck dinosaur, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe, and remember to enjoy the process and have some fun. See you next time. Bye.